For today's video, I'm going to do a pre-fall makeup look and I'm excited about that. I want the skin to look bronzy, glowy, and then just effortless. And then for the eyes, I want a little bit of smoke. So my skin is already prepped. I did my skincare and I also put on my sunscreen. So I'm going to link all of the products that I'll be using for this look down in the description box so you can just check it out if you're interested. So to prep my eyes, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is in the shade Chestnut. I'm going to set my eyes using Warm Sunrise from Fashion Fair. Now I'm going to use the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. The shade in my crease, this is Carnelian, and I just want a wash of that, not too much, just a little bit. Just to add some warmth. So I'm going to use this shade from the Glam Face palette from Natasha Denona. This is Transition. And just a little bit of that on top of Carnelian. So I'm going to add a little bit more of Carnelian just so I don't lose that shade. I'll put that in the crease. So I'm going to use this shade from Makeup Forever, and then this is D652, and then I'll put that all over my lid. So I'm going to use this eye pencil from Tom Ford. This is in the shade Metallic Mink. So it's a dark brown with a little bit of shimmer as well in it, similar to the one that I have on my lid. And I'm going to use this just to put it around my lash line on the top, just to smoke it a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit more of this shade and put that on my lid. So I'm done with this one. I'm going to do the other and then come back. For my base, I'm going to start with the Denona Marix primer. This is the Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder, and then I have it in the shade Universal. So I'm going to put a little bit of that. Okay, so I want my skin to be really glowy, so I'm going to put the Ease Drop from Fenty. And I reviewed this. If you're interested, I'll link it down below for you. Like I said, I want to be really glowy. So I'm going to use the new Patrick Ta foundation. So this is the cream and finishing powder. I have it in the shade Tan. Okay, so I'm going to bronze with the Denona Marix bronzer. This is in the shade Deep. So I'm going to set my highlight with the Airbrush Flawless Finish in the shade Medium 2. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, and then I'm going to use this lovely bronzer from Charlotte Tilbury. This is in the shade Deep. So I'm going to use the leftover of my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray and then just set all my face. So I'm going to use this blush from NARS. This is Savage, and just a little bit of that because it's so pigmented. So I'm going to use this highlight balm from Merit. This is in the shade Bounce, and it's a rose gold. So I'm going to put some on the back of my hand first, maybe this much. and then just use my fingers to apply it. So this is what my face looks like so far. I'm going to put mascara, set my face, and then come back. So on my lips, I ended up putting Cork from MAC. And then I also have this lovely gloss from Unparalleled Beauty. And then this is in the shade Neutral. So that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Let me know down below if you have any comments, suggestions. And if you haven't done it already, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.